So, power outage. And this is what the workshop is like. Oops, we got a board. Trying to get as much of this up as possible without everything falling over. Luckily, I don't think the water got up underneath that furniture yet. So that side, I mean, this carpet's got to come out, but got the generator going. And she is pumping overtime right now. Got it connected to a outside generator real quick. The water back here should go into the drain back there and then feed that back there. So luckily most of our stuff is up on shelves, and I don't think anything is going to be majorly messed up.
Oh boy.
Notice I'm worried about my workbench first and your furniture over there second.
I can't see you because of the light.
Actually, I think a whole house generator just moved up to the top of my list.
What moved up on your list?
A whole house generator.
Do you think this would be easier with power?
Don't even get me started. What's funny is I don't feel cold at all.
Look to your left or right, because looking straight, yeah, now you can tell. Look, yeah, as all I see is bright light. Where were you on the night of the 13th?
Well, I've said it before, and I'll say it again. This is the biggest thing I have to deal with today. I am a lucky man. I mean, we could have had a flood upstairs.
Yep.
I could have had a foot of water down here.
Yep.
All in all, we didn't turn up too bad.
Considering we thought there was like three inches of water down
throughout
in
the whole thing. Yeah, I mean, yes, it sucks, but
It could have been a lot worse.